Hello coders, welcome back to Tutor End. So guys, there are hundreds of thousands of Chrome extensions on the Chrome Web Store, like Grammarly, dark mode extensions, and many other discount coupon extensions. So guys, if you guys know how to build a Chrome extensions, then you can also build Chrome extensions like that, and you can also make money, or you can also help others by building Chrome extensions for free. It is very easy to get started with building Chrome extensions, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can build a Chrome extension, very basic Chrome extension, in 4 to 5 minutes. And it does not require a lot of knowledge of programming. You just need to know a little bit JavaScript, HTML and CSS, and that's it. You can build a Chrome extensions with the help of these things. So guys, let's start, and let's first of all create a new project by creating a new folder, and you can name this folder anything. So let's name it like this, extension, or my first extension. And now let's open this folder in Visual Studio Code or any editor you like. So open it with VS Code, and now guys, you can see here this is open in VS Code. So let's create some files. So first of all I'm going to create this file manifest.json, which is the main file or important file for the Chrome extension, and this is going to hold the metadata and all the information about the extension. After that, let's create a new file called index.html or any HTML file which is going to show up when you click on the Chrome extension icon in our Chrome browser. So you can name it anything. So I'm going to write it popup.html, and after that let's create a new file called popup.js, and this is going to hold the script for our extension and logics. So after that, let's create a new file called style.css. This is going to hold the CSS or styling for our pop-up. And guys, you can also find this written tutorial on my blog website for this video, and you can save this article for your future references. So guys, now let's get started with the manifest.json, in which I'm going to write the JSON object, and in this object we have to write some properties like manifest version. There are several versions of the manifest, but you can write version 3 as it is acceptable currently. So now let's write name and description of this extension and the Chrome extension version which we are building right now. After that, you can write here action and pass a file which is going to show up in the default pop-up when you click on the Chrome extension icon. And here you're going to pass popup.html because that is the file which we're going to show when you click on our extension like this. So let's pass it, and now you can write our icons here which is going to show in the extension or Chrome extension toolbar. So we're going to paste here some images to show up in the Chrome extension icon, and here I have a logo of my channel. And now I'm going to resize it to different versions like 16 pixel, 32 pixel, and 48 and 128 pixel, because these are the sizes which is required by the Chrome extensions to show in the Chrome toolbars and Chrome extension managers. So you can do it like this, and now you can see there are 4 icons which is in my project now. And now I'm going to delete this logo because I don't need that. And now we can put this in a folder, and later we can pass the path of these icons in the manifest.json. So let's write these 4 icons in the manifest, and now let's give it a path, actual path. So now it is going to show in the extension icon. So let's save it, and let's write some HTML here so you can see a page in the pop-up. So let's write some basic HTML here, and here I'm going to create a new form which is going to show in the pop-up, and in this form I have an input and a button to submit that input. Let's also include the CSS and JavaScript file in our pop-up so they can run when I click on this extension icon. Now it's time to test our extension. So let's copy the path to this extension, and let's open the Chrome and go to the extension manager by clicking on this icon, and make sure the developer mode is on from here by clicking on this toggle. And after that, we can install our extension by clicking on load unpacked, and now you can select our extension folder, and this is going to install our extension in the Chrome now. So you can see our icon here, and the extension has been installed already. And guys, you can also see this in extension menu, so you can pin it from here, and now you can click on this extension icon to test it, and the page is now shown as we created, but there is no styling. So let's style it bit. So In a style CSS, we're going to style the body of this form, and after that button also. So now let's test it again. How does it looks after refreshing? So guys, now this is styled a bit, and now you can this button functionality by writing some JavaScript. So in this file, I'm gonna add a event listener to this message form, and whenever you click on the submit button, it is going to trigger an event, and we're gonna write event.prevent to prevent from erasing the input. And now we're gonna fetch this value from this form input and submit or show the alert whenever the user pushes the submit button by writing this alert and passing the message here. So now let's guys test it again. So now let's write something here after refreshing this and submit. So you can see here alert, and now you can write anything like hello coders, and now let's submit, and you can see the alert here. So guys, that's it for this video. You already built a Chrome extension, and here's the summary of this video. So we created the manifest.json, which is the default or ID card of this extension, which is going to hold the metadata and description for this extension. After that, we created a HTML file in which we styled or written our popup.html file, which is going to show when we click on the extension. And after that, we added functionality and styling to that. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe this channel, and don't forget to visit this article to get more information on this topic. Stay healthy, keep coding, and keep watching tutorial.